Have you ever stared at a blank page, wondering why your words just don't pop? You're not alone. Millions of writers struggle to find their unique voice, that special something that makes their writing stand out from the crowd. Time codes have been added to this video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of writing to uncover the secrets of finding your unique voice. Whether you're a seasoned author or just starting out, this video will help you unleash your inner wordsmith and captivate your readers. Your writing voice is your personal style, the way you express yourself through the words. It's the unique blend of your vocabulary, sentence structure, and tone that makes your writing distinctive. Think of it as your fingerprint, one of a kind and instantly recognizable. Finding your voice isn't always easy. Many writers fall into common traps. Imitation. Trying to mimic others' styles can stifle your own creativity. Self doubt. Questioning your abilities can hinder your progress. External explanations. Worrying about what others think can lead to conformity. Here are some practical tips to help you discover and develop your unique voice. Journaling. Write regularly to explore your thoughts and feelings. Read widely. Immerse yourself in diverse genres and styles. Experiment. Try different writing styles and techniques. Embrace your quirks. Let your personality shine through your writing. Seek feedback. Get constructive criticism from trusted readers. Remember, your voice is a gift. Don't be afraid to let it shine. As the renowned author Stephen King once said, the scariest moment is always just before you start. So take that leap of faith and start writing from the heart. In the end, finding your unique writing voice is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to experiment, but the rewards are immeasurable. By embracing your individuality, you'll create work that resonates with readers and leaves a lasting impact. What are your thoughts on finding your unique writing voice? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. And if you're ready to take your writing to the next level, check out my video on how to overcome writer's block. Thank you for watching. Y'all come back now. You hear?